Okay, last part of this video, right? Project 2, random word generator. Okay, we're gonna just have your a fairly useless app, okay? That instead of hello world, it will pop a random word on the screen when you start the app. You gotta kill the app before it does another one. Okay, super useless. Okay, you can make it slightly more useful by have bringing the button back later. Okay, so the point of this is to actually show you how to use packages. All right, packages. Dart comes with a whole bunch of packages that you can use. All right, Flutter. Yeah. And what we're going to do is we're going to use this package on this thing called pub.dev. So I can click on it and you can actually go take a look at it. So pub.dev actually is a bunch of packages for Dart and Flutter. Okay, so it's got a bunch of stuff, right? Simple animations and things like that, right? So you can actually use this you can take a look at this in the future. So yeah, it's nicely documented. And okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to figure out how to use this, right? So first things first, you're going to open this file called pubspec.yaml. Okay, YAML is short for yet another markup language. So I'm going to head over to my Android Studio. All my files are on the left hand side, so you have to open up this thing. Okay, and you can look for pubspec.yaml. There it is. If you find that you don't have a lot of space, right, you can actually minimize this project window, okay, and reopen it when you need it. Okay, so it's fairly, yeah, it's okay. Okay, so here's pubspec.yaml, all right, and it's got some documentation and stuff, right? So any package you want to use has to be specified in here. So right now this thing says Cupertino icons, right? Cupertino is where Apple is from. So this one says use this to have iOS style icons. Okay. If we scroll down a bit, you're gonna see material design. Okay. And this is it's got information on how to add custom fonts and stuff. All right. So it's a bit crowded because of all the comments, right? I'd like you to try and find the place where you actually add English words. Okay. You're gonna add it after Cupertino icons. Okay. So let's go. After Cupertino icons, we're gonna say English words 3.1.0 if I remember correctly. And if you're not sure, you can go look at the pub spec. Go to the pub spec. Pub spec. Pub.dev. Pub.dev. Okay, sorry, computer a bit slow. All right, and if you look for English words, all right, there you go. Utilities for working with English words, okay? Containing the 5,000 most used English words. Okay, and how to install? Installing. Okay, there you go. English words, 3.1.5. Okay, so these are like version numbers, okay? This caret means something to do with locking it to a certain version, okay? And there's other ways of saying that I don't mind anything as long as it's version 3 or things like that. Okay, so after you're done with this, all right, after you're done with this, you should press save and then you click on pubget. Okay, pubget does not go to the pub and get you a drink, right? It goes to pub.dev, right, the package library, and grabs all the stuff it needs from this project. Okay, and it stores it, I think in lib, if I'm not wrong. Not lib, okay, I have no idea. It stores it somewhere inside external libraries, maybe. Let's go take a look. External libraries. There you go. Dart packages or somewhere inside here, right? A whole bunch of stuff. Maybe it's under Flutter for Android or .stks. Somewhere in here, right? No idea. Okay, but now you should have this English words library, right? And inside main.dart, okay, in order to use it, you need to import it. Okay, so not sure why it's doing that. If you want to dismiss it, just press background. All right, so you need to say import, right? Open inverted comma, and in Dart, I guess one of the things is by convention they use single quotes, right? It's just a convention, right? You can use double quotes if you want, but people will sneer at you, hey, you use double quotes. Okay, so I'm just gonna type English words. Okay, so package English words. Okay, great. All right. Actually no, it's gonna be package English words slash something. I'm gonna type it again. English words dot dart. That's what I want. Okay. So this will make sure it imports it into this file. All right. And then if there's gonna be an error, you click on this down here. All right. Could not resolve English words in English words dot dart. Okay. Not sure what's going on, but I guess I'll find out. Okay, let me go check if I need to do anything else. I added English words, I ran pubget, okay, and I pressed the button by accident, okay, and yep, and you should be able to, yeah, it should be fine. Okay, all right, okay, all right. So I think it's fine. Maybe something went wrong, right? So it was trying to do hot reload, right? So there's a chance that hot reload fails, right? When I save, it does a hot reload and then it failed, and then it gave me this error. So you can just press run instead, and maybe it'll work. No, it did not. Right? You can also press stop and then press run, and then hopefully you recompile everything properly, okay, because there are limits to what it can hot reload, right? So if you've added a new library and this file is like, huh, why got a new library, this didn't exist when I started up, right? So I don't care, right? Error. Okay, so you gotta kill the whole thing and start again. That doesn't sound quite right, but that's the idea. Okay, so just be aware that if you kill the whole thing and start again, it will take a little bit of time. All right, it's not as long as starting up your entire Android emulator, but it will take a bit of time. Okay, so that's installing a package. Right, the rest of this I kind of want you to work on it on your own. All right, so under the widgets build, right, add the following code that says final word pair equals to new word pair dot random. So what it does is, there's this thing called word pair, which is provided by the English words, okay, and from here, okay, and then just generate random text instead of the hello world, okay. The answers are here, right? Just look at the answers, I guess, all right, but you don't have to, okay. So if you want to get a new word, you have to hot reload, okay. But here's an extension: bring back the floating action button, the plus button in the bottom right hand corner. Is this the bottom right corner? Yeah, maybe. Yeah, there. Okay, use it to generate a new word. All right, so how to get the code for the floating action button? You go and make a new project somewhere else, okay, grab the code from there and then transplant it back here, right, and then figure out how you can use some code to generate a new word. All right, this should be eminently doable. Okay, so that's it for this lesson. All right, please let me know if you have any questions, and please keep us updated on Padlet. All right, thank you.